Hey guys, so unless you are an advanced user or you want to use your smartphone for productivity and photography in 2019, a mid-range device is probably enough for you. The last generation mid-rangers are usually the recommended ones due to their update software and higher end species. Among the latest relevant ones, there are definitely the Samsung Galaxy M20, the Lenovo S5 Pro GT, and the Huawei P Smart 2019. Three devices that hit in the mark each with affordable prices and well-balanced species sheets. If you want to get one of them but you are unsure about which one to choose, so guys, here in this video we will compare these three devices. Besides having the most beautiful design, Huawei P Smart has also a display with the most advanced technologies that can deliver a better viewing quality. Lenovo S5 Pro GT is at the same level, but it has a way bigger notch that looks a bit anachronistic. Despite that, I prefer the Lenovo S5 Pro GT as a multimedia phone because it features louder stereo speakers that can guarantee a better experience with videos. Even though it has narrower bezels, Samsung Galaxy M20 takes the last place when it comes to display and multimedia. The Kirin 710 chipset found on the Huawei P Smart is the one which proves to a more powerful chipset compared to the Exynos 7094 on the Galaxy M20. However, P Smart 2019 comes with a maximum 3GB of RAM that is not so much to push that chipset to the top. So for multitasking lovers, Galaxy M20 may result better, but overall I would choose the Lenovo S5 Pro GT because it comes with the more powerful Snapdragon 660. It is also the only one to support up to 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage. Lenovo S5 Pro GT has the most unique and surprising camera department on the rear side. It has a dual setup with 12 and 20 megapixel sensor and that can perform 2x optical zoom without losing details. On the front side, unlike its opponents, it boasts another dual camera that consists of a main 20 megapixel sensor and a depth sensor to enhance the book effect with selfies. The second place goes to Samsung Galaxy M20, which comes with a classic main sensor plus depth sensor configuration on the back, but it captures bright shots. Lenovo S5 Pro GT wins the comparison due to its better performances, excellent cameras, and useful additional features such as stereo speakers and IR face recognition. It costs about $226, while the Samsung Galaxy M20 debuted in China for $170 and the Huawei P Smart 2019 costs about $285.